Hi, I just wanted to take a minute and show you something cool I found in a webinar online. I know I do a lot of vocabulary and science, and I know a lot of other teachers do too. So I wanted to show you how to make a drag and drop presentation for different vocabulary matching that you might be doing throughout the year. So we're starting our unit on cells. So I have this diagram where I want them to drag and drop vocabulary words too. So I'm going to snag it actually. If I have this, I can put that in a Google slideshow. This. And this is my template that the students will not be able to move or interact with, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So I have my template, and then on this same slide, I could give my directions in a text box like this, drag and drop activity, move vocabulary terms to correct location on the diagram. And this could be used in so many different ways, but I know that for science, I have a lot of um, matching activities that I want them to be familiar with. So this would be like my template in the back. Actually, I'm also going to throw in a little key to help them out because at this point in the year, vocabulary is kind of a beginning skill for us. So here we go. I'm throwing a little cheat sheet at the bottom here, just in case. So we've done a mini lesson on this so far, and they would be responsible for dragging and dropping these terms. So this is going to be my background. The students will not be able to edit this, so I'm going to have to go over here, and I'm going to download this as a JPEG, save it to my save as background. Okay. Then I'm going to create a new presentation. I'll insert this file. Oops, insert file from my computer. Background, there it is. It'll pop up. This is a background that the students cannot edit, and then I'm going to insert these text boxes here. So, oops, too large. To the muscle cell. Okay. Fix it again, a little smaller. And I'll make this one a brain cell. Okay, so I'm just going to do a couple terms, but you get the idea. So then what will happen is I'll share this with my students, and they will be able to manipulate these terms. So here's my finished one, actually, that I'm going to be assigning tomorrow. So the students would then be able to take these terms and place them in the correct location. So here's the muscle cell right here. And then they would save this on their drive and submit it to me via Google Classroom. But I also have played around with the students using this with Screencastify to explain to me what the terms mean and why they put them in certain locations. But there's just so many uses for this. I just wanted to share this cool little tool because it's a good visual, and then the students will always have it saved in their drive so that they can use it to study for tests and reflect on it later in the unit.